Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel where we make managing your money as easy as pie. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to share your YNAB budget with your partner. If you're using You Need a Budget, YNAB, you know it's a game changer for tracking expenses and setting financial goals. But what if you want to loop in your significant other? Let's break it down step by step so you can get collaborative in no time. First off, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account on a computer or the app. It's easiest on desktop. Once you're in, open the budget you want to share. Look for the gear icon or settings menu, usually in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. Next, navigate to the Collaborators or Invite People section. Here, you'll see an option to add someone by entering their email address. Type in your partner's email, and YNAB will send them an invitation link. Pro tip: double-check that email to avoid any mix-ups. Now, your partner will need to have a YNAB account or create one quickly. Once they accept the invite, you can set their permissions. Do you want them to just view the budget, or make edits too? Choose based on your comfort level. It's all about trust and teamwork. Sharing your budget isn't just about logistics, it's a fantastic way to build financial intimacy. Discuss your goals together, track shared expenses, and celebrate when you hit milestones. Remember, communication is key to avoiding any surprises. And there you have it. You're now ready to share your YNAB budget and conquer your finances as a team. If you run into any hiccups, YNAB's support resources are top-notch. Give this a try and let us know how it goes in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more money-saving tips.